Unlike you two, I don't seem to fight with society as much as you. I know you get angry about the differences of, who should go through a door first and what line is important and how you stand when you're paying for your hamburger. I don't know. You seem to have a lot of things. I am now starting to be a little bit annoyed by funny ringtones. I think I may be at the end of my spot with funny ringtones. Now, you, Fezzi, have a normal ringtone.
Yes, I do.
But I brought up the ringtone, the Howie Mandel thing. His ring was a boing, boing, boing. I get it. You're a comedian. You're a professional comedian. You need a funny ringtone, though?
Clown tone.
Hicks, what about you? Chris Stanley, regular ringtone?
No, I have a song from South Park on my phone.
All right, let me hear it.
His is annoying.
All right, let me hear his.
I'm having them call me. Hold on.
Yeah, have somebody call you. Because I'll tell you which one I keep getting. I've never seen the show, but I had to ask, what is the song? It's the Sex and the City theme I hear all the time in New York. I hate it. And what is it? Now, this somehow makes you cool? Your annoying ringtone?
Oh, it makes me happy when I hear it.
I'll say this. If you have a bad enough ringtone, I'll send you into the big ass prize closet. 866 Ron Zero Fez. 866 Ron Zero Fez. And if you can explain why you have such a fucking annoying ringtone. Because some of them are now just like people. I have a friend with this ringtone that goes like this. Bry! Bry! And just her brother doing an impression of her sister. It's the worst thing I've ever heard in my life.
See, here's my problem with an annoying ringtone. I forget about them. So I'm in the office with Chris Stanley, and that thing will go off 2 or 3 times, and every time I'll say, what is that? What is that? Where is that coming from? I forget that he has the annoying ringtone.
Tim, you're on the Ron and Fez show.
Hey, Ronnie. Hey, Fezzi. I don't mind the funny ringtones so much, especially if they're funny, because it's not really that prevalent. What really bothers me is those songs when you call somebody, and it's usually some like an R&B song. It's not even anything good. I don't know how you feel about that.
No, I agree with you 100%. I really don't want to hear it. All right, Anthony, you want to play a ringtone for us?
I don't have the ringtone, but my ringtone is quite possibly the greatest song ever. Mighty Horse rocks the fat ass.
Oh, God, that's annoying to me. The fact of knowing that we are adding to the noise pollution, it just really brings me down. Finley, what do you got for me?
I have the goddamn Rogues of Scotland bagpipe song as my ringtone.
Now, is there any way you can play it now, or you're already using it?
I can call back in a few on a different phone.
Yeah, I need to hear. Yeah, here's Mike. Mike, you're on Ron Fez. I didn't even think of this. They're calling on their fucking phone.
Ron, I got Joe Jackson stepping out.
Now, why would you have Joe Jackson stepping out?
Because he steps out, Ronnie. He's a stepping out kind of guy.
After Phillies game, they played it. I had to put it on there. Loved it.
And now, if I was maybe working for Steppin' Out magazine, I might be playing Steppin' Out. Is that still around, by the way?
I don't think Stepping Out is.
I think it is in most towns because it's different in most towns. They have that and creative loafing. That every town will have their own little one. Rick, you're on Ron and Fez.
Ready?
Yeah. I am ready. He's playing the Cubs song. Yeah, I'll send you the big ass prize closet for that. To me, this is annoying. This is one of the more annoying things I've ever heard. Matt, you're on the Ron and Fez show.
Hey, what's up? I got the Humpty dance, and I have it as a ringback, too.
All right, now give me, are you ready to play it?
No, you have to, I have it so if you call me, instead of hearing the phone ringing, you just burst into the Humpty dance.
Yeah. Lee, you're on the Ron and Fez show.
All right, Ronnie, I can't do it, but I got the Wicked Witch of the West theme song from my ex-wife.
Well, you are somewhere over the rainbow. So if the ex-wife calls you, you will be you'll hear that song.
That's exactly right.
Big ass prize closet. I mean, if you're gonna use it just to be mean to somebody, I'm a big fan. Pat, you're on Ron and Fez.
Yeah, I got little Jimmy Norton going. Quite annoying.
Here, 866 Ron Zero Fez. 866 Ron Zero Fez. Here is Jared. Jared, you're on the Ron and Fez show.
Yeah, Ronnie B. I've got the crowd at Liverpool Stadium Anfield singing "You'll Never Walk Alone" really loud.
All right, is there any way I can hear this?
Yeah, here it comes.
All right, I love this one.
Oh, let me.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right, Jared.
Yep.
I'm definitely sending you the big ass prize closet, but explain to me why those people are singing the Labor Day song by Jerry Lewis. I don't understand these soccer hooligans and they're singing during sporting events.
Carbonite.com. Carbonite. Now, here is a company that has tripled in size during this kind of economy. And they've been able to do it by providing a superior product that solves a real-life problem that is keeping computer files safely backed up without worry, without complication, and without taking up valuable time.
Carbonite. You know what? Carbonite is doing it all, Fezzi, and of course they're bringing on for the kids Carby, the monster, and little Carby, his best friend.
Carbonite.com. Carbonite, it backs up.
Me like Carbonite.
Okay.
Carby.
I'm so happy that you're happy, Big Carby.
I love you, little Carby.
I love you too, Big Carby.
Now we have place to keep our files.
Thank God.
Carbonite.
All right, these are not official mascots of Carbonite. Carbonite, they've been protecting...
Ooh, Carby.
They
love Carbonite.
You know, they've been protecting PC users for years now, and now Carbonite Online Backup is ready and available to protect Mac users, too.
Good. Me, Apple friendly.
Yum, yum.
Apple.
I love green apples.
You don't eat the computers. Carbonite is automatic, secure, and unlimited. You can
no more limits, Carby.
Oh, thank gosh.
You can back up.
Uh-oh. Me poop.
Oh, I'll lick it up.
That has nothing to do with Carbonite. Stay on message. Back up all your photos, music, emails, financial records, office documents, and other irreplaceable files. Recovering those files is easy. You get them back with just a few clicks if you subscribe to Carbonite.
Me next door neighbor is Jew Girl.
I'm so happy the finals are going to be safe, Big Carby.
Carbonite is affordable, less than $5 a month for unlimited backup.
Oh, where can me get money? Me just a monster.
Let's rob a gas station.
Okay.
Like in that Executioner song. Sorry, Tommy Lee Jones.
I don't watch much movies from 70s.
Carbonite, it's the smart insurance policy for your irreplaceable data. You don't want to lose the stuff on your laptop, on your PC, and now on your Mac.
Me gargle gasoline.
That has nothing to do with Carbonite. Carbonite, it makes sure that those files are backed up and recoverable if anything should go wrong with your computer.
Me afraid of Norman Mailer. Don't read books nor watch movies.
George Plimpton was a faggot.
Drew.
So inappropriate. Carbonite.com. Enter offer code XM at that website to start your free trial. That's at Carbonite.com. Offer code XM. You get a free trial that includes 2 free months if you decide to buy Carbonite. That's Carbonite.com. Offer code XM. Try it free today.
It's a good one, Fezzi. Can we get back to the bit?
Yes.
You sure?
Oh, I'm sure.
All right. Ryan, you're on the Ron and Fez show.
Hey, Ron.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got the Kill Bill theme.
Can't beat that. Can you play it for us?
One.
Yeah.
I cannot.
All right.
I thought I could access it, but shut down.
Too bad. Tony, you're on the Ron and Fez show.
What's up, Ron? I got the most annoying one. I don't know if you guys remember a little cartoon called Beavis and Butthead, but I got Beavis saying peekaboo. So here you go.
Yeah.
coming.
Yeah, can't wait. Current. Talking about these annoying ringtones, Fezzi, and why do people like them so much? Brooks, you're on the Ron and Fez show.
Hey, Ronnie B, what's up, buddy?
Yeah.
Hey, I've got two Dropkick Murphys shipping up to Boston, and Boats and Hoes by the theme from Step Brothers by John C. Reilly and Will Ferrell.
Now, how do you know which one's going to ring?
Just set for different people. Boats and Hoes is usually for my wife.
All right. And Dropkick Murphys
Nice.
is for all your dope running buddies?
Yeah, usually. I'm a cop, so it's a little bit difficult to have dope running buddies, but hey, do what you do.
All right, thanks. Here is Purple Guy. Purple Guy, you're on Ron and Fez.
Ronnie B, how you doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, my ringtone is from Anthony Cumia. I got him saying big cock.
All right, let me take a listen to that.
All right, hang on.
Mm-hmm. So here's the phone ringing.
I just love seeing the big cock.
I may get that one. Can you combine it with vibrate?
Hold on, here it is again.
Yeah.
I just love seeing the big cock.
Now, what happens if you're at the store and this happens to ring?
Usually I forget and I have to turn it off really quick.
I'm going to send you into the big-ass prize closet, but I don't even think Anthony would be a fan of this. I'll have to check. I'll read one of the O&A rundowns. But why would you want this as your ring? What is wrong with just an old-fashioned ring? Ring to it. Thornton, Sean Thornton. Here's our old pal Fez, cigars and scotch. Hello, CNS.
Hey, what's good, guys? I have Frank Sinatra's "Ring-a-Ding-Ding" as my ringtone.
Can you play it for me?
How could that funny face that seemed to be commonplace project right into space without any warning?
That must be an old phone.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's too odd for me. Thanks, though, CNS. Talk to you later. Here is Joel. Joel, you're on Run of Fez.
Hey, guys, I have an old Motley Crue ringtone and a Pink Floyd.
Let me hear your crew. No one's ever ready with this, Fez.
No. Mm-mm.
This could be part of awkwardphotoalbums.com.
They seem to have trouble operating their phones, too, where they tend to get cut off.
Let me head on over to Rebecca. Rebecca.
Hi, guys. I've got an annoying one. Here it goes.
Pretty much the same as Jimmy Norton's. Here is Scott. Scott, you're on Run Fez.
Yeah, I got a lot of friends that live in Idaho. They like to screw sheep, so my ringtone is a large herd of sheep.
Let me take a listen. Big ass prize closet for you. That is annoying as hell.
But it's his ringtone. He's really not making fun of the people he thinks he's making fun of. It's his phone that's ringing with that.
Here is George. George, you're on Run Fez.
Hi, for my one of my friends, his ringtone is "Suck My Balls" by Hot Buttered Anal.
Well, that's something to really be proud of when you're out and about, children around. Joe, you're on Run Fez.
Yeah, I have the McDonald's Filet-O-Fish song.
Who deserves it?
And it annoys everybody every time it rings.
Yeah, you're going to the big ass prize closet. You're a dick. 866 Ron Zero Fez. 866 Ron Zero Fez. Bry! Why do people want to do this? Why do they want to annoy everybody around them?
And you know that they're going to take their time answering their phone so that their cute and clever, yet very annoying ringtone can ring as much as possible. Oh, where is that cell phone?
No, you
Give me back that fish. Give me that fish.
Do that again in case anybody wants that as their ringtone.
Give me back that fish. Give me that fish.
All right, I will seriously at any time give anybody into the prize closet for that fucking annoying ringtone. If you turn Fez's, give me that fish. Give me that fish. You really watch too much TV. You watch regular TV, don't you?
Yes, I do.
And you sit through the commercials, and I bet you say to your cat, I really like this one.
Well, usually I tell her, get that fish. Skippy, give me back the fish. Give me that fish.
Are we done with it? Let's. People are still asking if you would.
They're not getting a clear recording?
What I'm gonna do is do a countdown, and Fez, I want you to do it as loud as you can. So I'm gonna give a 5-down countdown for everybody in the booth, counting it down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Give me back that fillet of fish. Give me that fish. Give me back that fillet of fish. Give me that fish.
I have never despised you as much as I do at this moment. That is the most annoying fucking noise on the planet Earth. I used to think it was metal crunching against metal.
Mm-hmm. Or ice chewing.
Yeah, ice chewing bothers me as well. And you know, they say that people who chew ice, they have something wrong with them. That's yours now, Eastside Dave?
Yeah, it's my ringtone. Thank you, Fez.
You're welcome.
Here is our old friend, Matty Fridays. Hi, Matty. Who's bothering you today?
No one's bothering me today. I'm in a great mood today.
Wow, that's unusual.
Really?
Yes. I have a couple, actually. I cut a whole bunch of Ron Fez ringtones back in the day, and one of my ringtones is you laughing, Ron.
All right, let me hear that.
All right, hold on. Here we go.
It's never anything of his own.
Yeah, that's our, that was my sinister laugh. Remember when, for a while I was bothering you, and then Fez, and then Dave would kind of be like my lackey, and then he would do the squiggly laugh underneath, and then we were like, why do we even need Fez?
I didn't know that's how it ended up.
Yeah, well, we talk about that. By the way, I
Wish you wouldn't.
I ordered pizza today, right?
Uh-huh.
And the guys have decided we need 2 pizzas.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know how we came to that decision. It's not like we doubled the guys around here.
No, we're just 4 guys.
Yep.
I'm eating for 2.
And Dave also likes to take some home, if ever. All right, HTG says she has your filet of fish as Fez's ringtone if he ever calls, but I don't have to worry about that because he doesn't call.
Oh.
Remember when you had your one big call when you used her for something?
Right, yeah, but still.
And then never again.
Well, all right, you're going to be here.
Give me back my filet fish! Give me my fish!
She's going to hear it constantly.
Give me my fish!
Give me back that filet fish! Give me that fish! Give me back that filet fish! Give me that fish! Give me back the filet fish!
Give me that fish! All right, everyone come on in. We're all going to do it together. We'll count down a brand new ringtone, be for the whole gang to be part of this. And that's what we can start and do for you, folks. We'll make you annoying ringtones. So if you like, just call in and we'll make any annoying ringtone you want to make. I'm going to count this down from 5 on, and it's going to be the annoying filet of fish song, which is just give me back that filet of fish.
Give me that fish.
All right, ready? And we're counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Give me back that filet fish! Give me that fish! Give me back that filet fish! Give me that fish!
Well, we hope that... Well, you're already doing it?
I want to do an Uma Gooma thing.
All right.
So that Fez's ringtone is actually inside this ringtone that we're now doing.
Weird.
Yeah, that's spacey.
So you got 2 layers of Fez's ringtone.
All right, now do you want to do that again, and we'll do it, and we'll harmonize. We'll go up like, give me back. We'll all go up higher.
That would be cool.
So then we'll have the lower and then the higher.
Yeah,
right?
like a Boys to Men type
all right,
deal.
Yeah, let's. We're gonna count it down, and then we're gonna try to harmonize with the old ones. So we're gonna give me back up higher.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Give me back that filet fish! Give me
me that fish. Give me back that fillet of fish. Give me that fish.
All right, and now we're going to cut another one as low as we can possibly get, going from 5 to 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Give me back that fillet of fish. Give me that fish. Give me back that fillet of fish. Give me that fish.
Somebody has the scariest fucking voice I ever heard in my life. There. Was it you, Dave?
Give me back that fillet.
All right, let's hear yours.
Give me back that
All right,
fillet of
let's hear
fish.
it.
Give me that
It's
fish.
you, you scary fuck.
Give me back that fillet of fish. Give me that fish.
Oh, God, this seems like a nightmare.
Someone's calling me.
Yeah. People are just calling you now. God. All right, this could be our new thing. Every day we'll try to make a brand new annoying ringtone for people.
Pajamagram.com.
Pajamagram. Da, 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 da. Pajamagram. Da, 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 da.
It's Pajamagram for Mother's Day this Saturday. Send her the softest pajamas made at the Pajamagram Company. They're made out of very soft fabrics, over 100 styles and sizes to choose from. That's something for every mom there. You're going to fit every mom with all the best stuff.
That's fantastic, Fuzzy, because my mom, as her pajamas, has been wearing barbed wire. And I'm saying, you know what? I know you're the hardcore mother, but you can't go on like this.
Find something comfortable from the Pajamagram Company. Pajamagram.com.
Pajamagram. Da, 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 da.
Now, these pajamas, they get delivered in a with a free lavender-scented sachet.
Pajamagram. Da, 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 da.
A Do Not Disturb sign.
Pajamagram. Da, 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 da.
And a personalized gift card, all in a beautiful hat box. She's going to love that.
My personalized gift card is, put it on, Mom. You don't have to wear barbed wire anymore. No more hardcore champ.
Yes, they can be personalized. And they have the new Mommy and Me sets. Great gifts for your wife from the kids.
Give me back that fish.
That has nothing to do with Pajamagram. It's matching pajamas for the mom and the kids. These are great sets. And again, a great Mother's Day gift, which is this Sunday, people. You need to order now.
Sunday, bloody Sunday, if you're wearing barbed wire.
She's going to love it. And it's a gift she can use over and over again.
I just heard the news today. I can't close my eyes and make it go away. It's Sunday, bloody Sunday, Fez. That's this Mother's Day, Sunday, bloody Sunday. This is not a rebel song, Fez. It's Sunday, bloody Sunday.
This Mother's Day, treat your mom or wife to some well-deserved relaxation. Send the softest gift to thank her for doing the hardest job. Spoil her with a Pajamagram. She is going to love it. Overnight and Saturday delivery are guaranteed.
Believe the news today.
Visit Pajamagram.com.
Sunday.
All right, 1-800-GIVE-PJs. That's 1-800-GIVE-PJs at Pajamagram.com.
Tonight, we can be as one tonight.
Treat mom to just a little peace and quiet and relaxation. It's a gift that just makes sense, folks. This Sunday is Mother's Day.
I don't cry. It gets us back up against the wall.
This Sunday.
Sunday, bloody Sunday.
Pajamagram.com. You can surprise mom. You can have these delivered at her home or office. And you can even get them delivered this Saturday. Make sure you're ready for Mother's Day, okay?
Just begun.
It's a perfect idea.
Who has won?
This is all about pajamas for mom, people. The number.
Brothers, sisters, send to the outside.
1-800-GIVE-PJs.
Sunday, bloody Sunday.
Mother's Day is this Sunday.
Sunday, bloody Sunday.
Don't forget, Mom. Take care of this now.
How long must we sing this song? How long? How long?
Or go to the website, Pajamagram.com.
We can be as one tonight.
Did I mention the Bath Body and Spa products?
Tonight.
Don't throw stuff at me! I'm talking about pajamas now, cowbell! No! They hurt! Ow! Ow! That's the beanie cup! Oh! 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 Pajamagram.com, 1-800-GIVE-PJs. Your mother is going to love this. Your wife...
Tears away! Wipe your tears away!
Plenty of pajamas to choose from.
Tears away!
From super comfortable to super sexy. Call 1-800-GIVE-PJs and let a Pajamagram
Bloody Sunday!
service rep help you pick out just... Ow!
Hey, Fez.
Right in the gut!
Sunday, Bloody Sunday. Bring it down some now. From Pajamagram. But Fez?
Yes.
I get so sick of it! Come on!
It's only pajamas! Order today to take care of Mom. Partly.
Watley, Fartley, Watley!
I don't like that shit!